This is MacBook Neo, an amazing all-new Mac at a surprising price. To make it, we reimagined how to build a laptop from the ground up, and we used the most recycled material of any Apple product. We started with aluminum because it's light, durable, and just feels really great in your hands. MacBook Neo has a stunning 13-inch liquid Retina display for vivid images and sharp details. Its signature Magic Keyboard is super satisfying to use. The multi-touch trackpad lets you click, scroll, swipe, and pinch anywhere on its surface. And the model with Touch ID allows you to instantly unlock your Neo, sign into apps, and pay for stuff with just a finger. To make it easy to connect and to charge, we built in 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. The 1080p camera and high-quality mics mean you'll always look and sound great. We also added new side-firing speakers, supporting spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. So when you watch a movie, it's kind of like being at the movies. Neo comes in 4 colors: silver, indigo, blush, and this fresh new citrus. We even color coordinated its keyboard and feet, because, you know, details. MacBook Neo is powered by A18 Pro. So it wakes fast and launches apps quickly. You can fly through everyday tasks, explore new hobbies, and browse through everything you love. Use Apple Intelligence to clean up images, express yourself, and get things done so easily. You can also run the most popular AI apps. And because Apple Silicon is so efficient, it packs up to 16 hours of battery life. At the heart of Neo is macOS, an incredibly intuitive operating system. Privacy and security are built right in. It's loaded with all the apps you need to get started. And it's easy to add the apps you already use. Best of all, Neo works like magic with your iPhone. You can start a chat on your Neo and continue on your iPhone, or copy from one and paste straight to the other. You can even use your iPhone without holding your iPhone. So that's MacBook Neo. Everything you'd expect of a MacBook at a price you wouldn't.